What should procurement teams verify before choosing Turnkey Aluminum Extrusion Line Supplier Selection Guide? From billet handling to finished profile logistics, the answer is not just speed. Buyers need to check whether the solution fits real production targets, delivers stable data, and reduces downstream risk for quality control, maintenance, and supplier coordination. This walkthrough focuses on the practical evidence a buyer should request before moving forward with a purchase decision. This 8-stage turnkey guide links 5 application types with 4 responsibility checkpoints from billet heating to finished profile logistics. Turnkey aluminum extrusion line procurement is often misunderstood. A turnkey proposal is not simply a bundle of equipment shipped under one contract. It should define who is responsible for production flow, interfaces, controls, installation, commissioning, training, and acceptance from billet handling to finished profile logistics. Without that responsibility, turnkey becomes a sales label instead of a factory outcome. The buyer's task is to determine whether the supplier can convert process knowledge into an operating line. Aluminum extrusion requires a sequence of heat, pressure, cooling, stretching, cutting, aging, and movement. A weak interface between modules can create downtime, scrap, surface damage, or unclear accountability, even if individual machines are well built. What turnkey means in aluminum extrusion line procurement 1.1 turnkey is a production system responsibility, not a sales package in a strong turnkey project. The supplier explains how each production stage connects to the next. The proposal should show equipment, layout, automation, safety logic, installation tasks, commissioning metrics, and after-sales support. The buyer should be able to see who owns performance at every handoff. 1.1 Why module coordination matters more than equipment count. More equipment names do not automatically mean a more complete solution. A line can include a press, heater, puller, stretcher, saw, stacker, and aging oven while still failing if their timing, control logic, and physical layout are not coordinated. The buyer should compare module coordination before comparing optional features. 2. The buyer's main challenge. Assigning responsibility for line performance turnkey projects reduce risk only when responsibility is clear. If the buyer must coordinate separate vendors for press, handling, controls, and downstream equipment, the project may still function as a multi-vendor installation. That can be acceptable, but it is not the same risk profile as an accountable turnkey line. 2.1 Where interface gaps usually appear. Interface gaps usually appear at billet transfer, die change workflow, puller timing, cooling table capacity, saw coordination, stacking routes, aging basket movement, and software handoff. These gaps are difficult to solve late because they involve mechanical layout, electrical signals, safety design, and operator habits. From billet handling to pressing, upstream modules buyers should verify 2.1 billet storage, cutting, heating, and transfer. The upstream area determines whether the press receives material consistently. A strong buying decision depends on more than a good brochure. Teams should compare measurement range, repeatability, calibration method, sample preparation requirements, maintenance support, and evidence from real plant use. When those checks are completed before purchase, the business can reduce retesting, avoid production delays, and choose equipment with more confidence.